Okay, real quick, just for you guys, just so you understand, if you give me one quick second, okay? Totally fine, peaceful protests, we respect that, okay? Just give me 1 second so everyone can hear, please. All they ask is this: you have to stay on the public part because this is locked down. It's private property. The management, the hotel, it's private property. And if you come on, you'll be asked to leave. You'll be trespassing. So if you want to be on the sidewalk, totally respect your right to protest. That's fine.
Get back!
Just in that regard, just please stay on that and off the property, okay? Which means I actually need you to back up on the sidewalk if you would. Other than that, if you have questions, please let us know, or if your leadership has questions, I'm happy to talk to them, okay? Thank you. And again, we respect your right to protest. Thank you.
Wait for instruction.